already. Oh, is it? No, it's got a little bit. Actually, I would say it's probably just as fast because the power to weight ratio has changed up enough. What do you think? Well, when you're going that way, it is.
Any power.
No, that could be bad. At least I would not be in that into the field when I ran out of power. That should be a good video.
That's a teeny tiny little battery. It's never been in it. I don't want to kill it because I don't want to ruin your battery.
Yeah, how do you turn this off?
Here,
Go ahead.
We'll show them the little battery.
I got a picture of the windsock with the, right before you took off too, and it was just sitting there.
I'm flying on the itty bitty.
Itty bitty battery. Big plane in a little battery.
That's right. Little battery and a big. Yeah, have a pocket.
Yeah, take that.
Time for a new fuselage. I want to buy a bigger plane.
I don't know, you just set this one up.
This one flies so well.
Just set this one up idiot proof.
Put the light back. There we go. Wipe the dirt on it and then you can see it. Sweet, your turn.
Oh, it's calmed down a bunch, hasn't it?
Yeah, it's only sticking straight out now.
That's got to be healthy.
What's that?
Wind coming across like that.
You gotta take it off from the ground, right?
What's that?
You gotta take it off from the ground, right?
I think I could probably do that.
I don't see why not. Always keep a little up elevator because you've seen them in the simulator where they drop the nose and ruin the prop.
Yeah.
Mine did that the other day going through the snow. Luckily it was snow. You got a lull.
I know.
I would do a couple of low passes, like not touch and goes, but you gotta fly out the breeze and wait for it to calm down a bit.
Definitely don't need any throttle this way.
Nope. He can even pass you by and land it in front of you if you wanted to. This is the lull you're looking for right here, I think.
Come on, baby.
There you go. This is it. Down, brother. Off that throttle. Alright, one more time around.
I'm used to the wind freaking pushing the nose down for me.
Well, let off the throttle when you're coming back. It'll go down.
Well, I know, but before I had her punched and it was barely keeping it in the air.
Oh, you'll be surprised.
Now it's good.
Nice and easy. Nice and easy. Considering 10-mile-an-hour winds. I think it's probably about 5 now, but
Yeah, it came down for me a bit. Cool, just touched the landing here.
Yep.